Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gesto International. Today, January 14th, Friday, and this is 52nd episode of our Zoom session. Indeed, this is an interactive session, live discussion. Our major topic of the discussion of the day is mobile phone. As we all know that mobile phone influencing our life very well. Mobile phone was invented by Martin Cooper. There are many more mobile phone brand companies we are using: Samsung, MI, Huawei, and iPhone, Redmi, many more. So you can talk about your mobile phone and usage of mobile phone and addiction of mobile phone. You can talk about the negative aspects and positive aspects of mobile phone and how mobile phone is influencing in children's heart and brain. Due to COVID-19, this pandemic, we all are compelled to use online classrooms like Zoom, Google Meets, WhatsApp, Facebook, so and so. Even teachers are uploading their classes only on YouTube. So classes are available on YouTube. Classes are available on WhatsApp. Classes are available on Facebook. So our life is changing. The next generation or next century will be completely addicted in robots. So let's hit the topic right now. So I respectfully and with full of full of respect, I invite Mr. Albino for speaking about this wonderful, simple topic, mobile phone. Start. Everybody give a good clap for
Okay,
Albino. Everybody give a good clap and welcome Mr. Albino. Welcome.
Mr. Albino.
okay. Thank you, everybody. All right. So, good morning. Here in Brazil is 10 minutes to 9 a.m. So, about this topic, mobile phone or cell phone, it's very interesting because in my background, or when I was a child, many years ago, it was impossible for us to about think that someday in the future it will be possible to have a simple cell phone like we have today. You know, in that old days, we couldn't imagine, to hold a cell phone like we are doing right now. So, cell phone is very, very important. And the point is, we should learn how to use cell phone. Pay attention. We should learn to use cell phone wisely. This is the point. We should learn to use wisely because it can help us to improve enhance our English skills. We can connect each other like we are doing right now, and we can talk with people far from us, immediately, and we can learn about news around the world in the real time, many things, all right? So mobile phone, cell phone is very important to make us, in how do you say, to make us know everything around the world and to make us know what is happening right now. So this is a good aspects. And the aspect that I think that is negative is about the children. You know, many children today are using games. You know, games that make them um make them do bad things in their lives, in their homes, like bad behavior with their parents, bad behaviors in school. You know, I'm a teacher, as I told you before, and when I was working outside, now I work just at home. But when I was teaching in the school, children, they do not talk because and they don't know how to write things in the notebook. They just use it cell phone all the time. You know what I mean? So and finally, when you go to the restaurant, when you go to the church, you know, when you go to visit some friends, and when you go anywhere, you don't see people talking, you don't see people interacting, you know, like before. Everyone is using using their cell phone, you know, nobody talking anymore, you know. And I think that we should talking like we did before. That's it. So I'm sorry if I'm not clear, but this is my point of view. Thanks so much for the time. I'm sorry because I use it a little more time as I should, but this is my point of view. Thanks so much, Mr. Home. Thank you.
All right. All right. Well done, Mr. Albino from Brazil. And we really enjoyed your wonderful speech. It was stunning talk. Now let's invite the next member, Akhtar Abbas from Pakistan.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me a chance. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Today, the topic is a very interesting mobile phone. And nowadays, mobile phone is a form of a technology. And nowadays, mobile phone is a part of our lives. Mobile phone is a part of our life. There are many advantages of mobile. It depends on us how we use mobile. How we use mobile. It depends on us. And before I would like to talk about when I was in sixth class sixth, I purchased a mobile in 2000 rupees, Nokia 1020 mobile. I have lots of experience with mobile, but now I am going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of mobile. And what are the advantages of mobile? The first one is we communicate with our friends, we communicate with our families, we interaction with our families through mobile. Before invention of mobile, if I want to interact with my brother who is living in another country, I had to write a letter. Now we can easily connect to America, to Karachi, to each and everywhere. This is the first one, communication. And second one, entertainment. uh, we can entertain us through mobile. And the very important thing is we can learn different kind of languages from mobile, through mobile, like YouTube. And nowadays we are getting classes in Gesto International with Sir Raoub. How? Through mobile, through technology. And we can uh, get information, news through mobile. And we can read different kinds of book on mobile. And we nowadays we do not need to purchase a book from any shop. Now we can read books and we can download books, different kind of books, Islamic books, universities books, from in mobile. And connect with people through mobile. We can connect with people. And we can do business on mobile. We can sell different kind of things, and we can purchase different kind of things. And we can earn money through mobile. And I would like to talk a few advantages. The first one, if we first I told you disadvantages and advantages depend on us. If I use negatively mobile, I am wasting my time, like watching movies, listening songs, wasting of time if I use negatively. And second one is causes of depression if I misuse mobile. And the third one is distraction. Uh, uh, this is the my point of view. Thank you, Sir Rauf.
Thank you very much. Well done, Mr. Akhtar. Well done.
Well,
Your speech was really inspiring, and it was really informative. So mobile phone can be used for good and bad. So those who use mobile phone effectively, they will be definitely earning, they can be definitely earning money and doing their business. Even mobile phone can be used for education. You can conduct different classes on mobile phone. So
Like
without
Gesto International, we are taking
la-
nowadays.
okay, so a life without mobile phone cannot be even imagined. So Mr. Albino said we need the life years of back, that life we need. We want to continue that kind of attachment, that kind of communication. We are not using physical communication now. We are using WhatsApp to even call our mother and father, family. We are not meeting people directly, so we want to meet our neighbors, meet our people in village, meet our family members personally. So it will be really really effective and fruitful. Now this link will be disconnecting, so rejoin again by clicking the same link. Next, Shahid Khan will be speaking. After that, so this link will be disconnecting now. Be take care of it. So please wait, Mr. Shahid Khan.
okay.
Less than 1 minute. I can see the point. Less than 1 minute. This meeting is ending. So
Noted.
this meeting will not be ending, but this disconnecting the link. So please rejoin and you can speak, Mr. Shahid Khan.
Hey,
Before
Inshallah.
that,
Yeah. Inshallah.
okay.
after Shahid, am I gonna get my turn?
Oh, Gasti Akbar. Yeah, sure. After Shahid Khan, you will speak. I'm really
Yeah,
sorry.
sure. I mean,